safe in getting through tomorrow. When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done.
Yeah, full there, buddy. Oh, because I have so much.
Just want me to find it. I'm not done.
Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. We're still in the process of working on the beams for the building to tie the building up, as well as the column footing. I'm gonna show you right now where the carpenter up to around that, and then we take a walk outside and then downstairs. At first, I have to give a shout out to the real MVP. I really appreciate this comment. Big up yourself, Junior. Junior said, "You're the best I've seen on YouTube regarding Jamaica building. Well knowledgeable and qualified. If builders ain't coming up like this guy, don't bother with them. I'm a builder also overseas and Jamaica Plus. When you emailed him, he answer you. He don't hide the knowledge. Thanks, bro." Big up yourself, Junior. As I say, guys, my emails are open. ismashconstruction@gmail.com. It also up on the screen down in the description. Belting for the bedroom. To them. Yes,
Try have everything first. Unless you can't be one man on the side, but you have your house, your car, and your money. So you have that. Look now, you're not making no chat. A pay girl they come in like a
don't tell him on that, man.
Tell me so what? No, why am I tell me this? Why am I tell me so no in my piece? I mean, not have it.
No. You see me a man like this? You know. Before me start, me put on the man thing last.
Yeah, man, woman thing I last thing for the list, man. I tell you the truth.
Woman is crash, you know.
Crash, what like?
Yo.
Yeah, bro.
Woman is crash, you know, boss. When the money done, love done, you know.
Joker.
I know, like,
I really thought when.
Crash, you. Maybe they was sus. Some of them may say, yo, this man paid that woman. I know me half on it. I mean, nice house, I know. Nice house. You look enough man to that, you know. You see money? Money good and bad. And you ain't worried. And until, you know, you're doing a roast. Just go on here. Just go buy from him. Yeah, man. No, you think I joke? I'm going to carry for me and change it 1,000 for that. So you just sell up here, you know, say. You just make up and go
Took two screws.
Inquire about that, I carry for some other buy still. I inquire about it, I mean, let me carry me out. Let me carry up under that, I carry me out. I'm going to make up the money. To make money, if you buy that, you carry on more now. You have to have an extra money for the next hand. The lights not insured.
Then I got one big problem today.
So you can't have a dead money.
The mud?
For 1 million car cost, you have 155.
Oh, you
Tell
know
you that.
You know what?
You have 1 dead million to buy 1 million car and block to block. You just can't buy 3 million.
Park if you want 3 months and save up again.
Yeah. That makes no sense. You better just pull your money with that 3 months there.
Really?
What do you mean? Makes no sense. So you wanna see the eye for yourself, man.
Claim say my best carpenter in Jamaica. We'll see about that. Soft as the feet, more on the good thing. Alien mode in the zone. I get in a color foot them. Foot deep. 3x3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cut down a tree a couple days ago, so that explains this. One time I'm gonna look on the floor downstairs as them put in rebars. And working hard or hardly working? Working hard or hardly working?
Working hard
Or hardly working?
Oh, you know what I said?
I'm gonna move this. Hold on, may I jump, man? No, man, may I jump? 1, 2, 3. So down here, so now just utilize local material, which are the 3/8 10mm rebar, and make the mat instead of the PRC. Right. You never want to jam them prime first. You never did necessarily need to jam them prime first.
But
Okay.
if you're going, you know, work.
Okay.
There's a plastic lever in it.
Okay. Okay.
So that's how we're going to remove the anti, and then the paint. I'll finish with this from the seat here.
Okay. Alright then. Wanted to show you guys the day before yesterday how they ended up finding the floor level with the laser and all of that, but yes, that makes you guys this time around. But remember, we have over there stuff to do as well. That's side of the building, so I'll definitely have you guys hold on to that. So I'm going to show now how that is done. So guys, our next stop will be by the septic, as I'll be showing you how far we reach. I'm going to talk to them about something very important in regards to the septic. There it is. We want to finish it so we can get the fall up to the manual. Because when you, every 3 feet you drop 1 inch. So it's from the septic to the manual. We don't want to do it back and front. So let's try it on here. Seeing all of this just made me think more about why I choose construction and where the love comes from within in construction, even though I believe it was like inborn because my father, grandfather, and most of my family did in a construction, but as like a tradesman or a mason or whatever. And it just, I don't know how to describe it, but it's one of them feelings. But I know a lot of people normally say when you're new to something, you're super excited. After times, the excitement runs out. Because I'm a witness a whole heap of times. I see someone on my ears are really good. I see them move like a daisical. But I pray for more opportunities within the construction realm, for build for people, for make people happy, for get to know people. As I say, I'm not afraid to talk to anybody who want to talk to me. And I don't feel like I'm more than or better than anybody therefore. And it's just amazing. Like, I'm want to stick with me on a journey from nothing to something. Let's not say nothing, but from like down here to up here. So I want to get to witness it, you know. Yeah, just wanted to talk about that a little bit. And as promised, I dropped 2 videos for the week because the last upload did I give me trouble. Therefore, I'm gonna make sure to get some videos because I just hope to watch back over the video. Each time I upload it twice, no, 3 times, 2 times fail, and the last time I work out. So I hope you guys watch it over and yeah, make this go. Yes sir, tomorrow I can't see roll off here sir. Oh.
Me not think me not think that one that finish yet, eh? That not finished, so not put in that yet. No, no put in that yet.
It's just 1,000 gallon, 10 people unit. It's just 1,000 gallon. Comment down in the comment section if you know. Or 700 gallon. I think it's 700, should be 700 gallon.